Hey there, quirky peeps! Today we are going to look at the roster of actors and characters that will join the youngest team of Avengers in the MCU. With WandaVision, Loki, and the Falcon and the Winter Soldier, we have seen the debut of a few young heroes already. But the rest of the lineup for these younglings is also confirmed, and it is only a matter of time until an official Young Avengers project is announced. It could be a movie or a series. Although I'd prefer a series because there are going to be at least 10 of these heroes. So more screen time would be required to flesh them out, and that means they would probably be teaming up on Disney+. Before we look at them, it would be amazing if you guys would hit the subscribe button and do press the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos. Okay, now let's see who is going to join MCU's eventual Young Avengers project. Billy and Tommy.
We've got to go!
Julian Hilliard played Billy Maximoff, and Jet Clan was seen as Tommy Maximoff in WandaVision. They unlocked their powers but went away with the Hex. And the ending of WandaVision teased that the kids were still alive. So they could go on to become Wiccan and Speed when we see them in Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. Although there is a chance that both Billy and Tommy would grow up in their next appearance. They were 10 years old when we last saw them. But the one joining the Young Avengers could be teenagers. So let's see which two actors will be brought in to play Teen Wiccan and Speed. Eli Bradley.
Where are we going?
He is the second candidate for the Young Avengers to make his MCU debut. Elijah Richardson played the part of Elijah Eli Bradley. As the Falcon and the Winter Soldier revealed, he is the grandson of Isaiah Bradley. Now that he has got an inspiration from Sam Wilson and his grandfather's honor has been restored, he could go on to become the comic book hero called the Patriot.
I can do this all day!
Although, he might use some unnatural ways to gain his super strength like the comics. We'll have to wait and see how Marvel handles that. Kid Loki. The Loki series has revealed over 10 Loki variants. Last year, Murphy's Multiverse reported that Jack will play Kid Loki. And the 4th episode of Loki has confirmed that report as Kid Loki appeared alongside 3 other Lokis. Now we don't know whether he will survive this series, but I believe that he should, because he's a potential candidate for MCU's Young Avengers. Kate Bishop.
That Kate will be played by the amazing Haley Steinfeld.
Jeremy Renner's Hawkeye series will end our year, and it will bring Haley Steinfeld into the picture. She will play the Kate Bishop version of Hawkeye. She would surely go on to join the Young Avengers in their team-up project. In fact, I believe that since she is the only one who trained under an OG Avenger, she will become the leader of her youth squad. America Chavez.
Blame her. She has awesome powers.
Kevin Feige revealed that Xochitl Gomez has been cast as America Chavez and Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. This universe-hopping hero is supposed to play a sizable role in the film. By the end, she could become Miss America from the comics. And then she will probably be recruited in the Young Avengers team as well. Cassie Lang. Emma Fuhrman played teenage Cassie Lang in Avengers Endgame. But now, Marvel has recast the part and Katherine Newton will take over. As Cassie suggested in Ant-Man and the Wasp, she will probably be teaming up with her father on his action-packed adventures.
Wait, who did you think?
Me.
You?
Don't laugh. I'd be a great partner.
Oh, Peanut.
She will either be called Stitcher or Stinger, or maybe the MCU will give her an original name. We'll have to wait and see about that. But I'm hoping that she will play an important role in the eventful Young Avengers project. Riri Williams.
Call me Ironheart.
Right around the time Cassie Lang will begin her crime-fighting days, Marvel will also give us a new Disney Plus series called Ironheart. Dominic Thorne has been cast to play Riri Williams. Now it will be interesting to see who mentors her on her journey to become Ironheart. Will it be an AI Tony Stark, or will it be Rhodey? I guess we'll find out soon enough. But since the Young Avengers do not have a core Iron Man replacement, Riri Williams has to play that part in the team. She certainly ticks all boxes being one of MCU's younger heroes. Next up we have Teddy Altman. Last year, the Illuminati reported that Hulkling would appear in WandaVision. And while WandaVision was running on Disney+, we got another report stating that actor Isaiah Nod will play the part of Theodore Teddy Altman. But he was nowhere to be seen in the 9 episodes of the show, so maybe he will appear in a future project like Secret Invasion. And after that, he could form a relationship with Billy Maximoff and join the Young Avengers. We should close this list of Young Avengers with Hulkling, but the MCU has even more heroes headed our way. At least a couple of them could join the team as well. So let's look at some other possible candidates for this youth squad. Miles Morales. Spider-Man Homecoming more or less confirmed that Miles Morales exists in the MCU and Aaron Davis is his uncle. But then Spider-Man Far Home didn't bring back Davis or introduce Miles. Now Spider-Man No Way Home could at least introduce him with a short cameo, and then a future project could turn him into Spider-Man. Since he is even younger than MCU's Peter Parker, he could become a part of the Young Avengers while the older Spidey hangs around with the Avengers. Harley Keener or Nathaniel Richards. Ty Simpkins returned as Harley Keener in Avengers Endgame. He was seen mourning the death of Tony Stark. After that, Simpkins revealed that he would love to play MCU's version of Iron Lad. So maybe he could join the Young Avengers if the MCU doesn't turn Nathaniel Richards into the comic accurate Iron Lad. And last but not the least, we have Kamala Khan. Iman Vellani has been cast as MCU's Miss Marvel. She is supposed to be the one of the 3 leads in the Captain Marvel sequel, which is called The Marvels. That could make her a part of the main Avengers lineup like Spider-Man is. But her age makes her a perfect fit for the Young Avengers too. So I believe that she could tag along with this team for at least one little mission, if not more. It will be interesting to see who will play the Nick Fury kind of role in bringing these young guns together.
See, now that's some bullshit.
Would you like to add any other character to this squad? And would you prefer a Young Avengers movie or a series? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to check out some more fun videos on our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.